Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make quick thumbnail in Canva. At first, search for thumbnails, find the thumbnail templates, and here you can see maximum are premium, which are already pre-made. So I will do with custom. At first I will take some gradient from the element for simple and attractive background. For multiple selection in Canva, you can hold the shift key and select the element. Now let's take some surprising face for better sit here. I'll remove the background from remove.bg as I don't have a premium of Canva. Subscribe to my channel to learn more with me. Have a good day.